Are you still using the default WordPress header? Because that's one of the biggest reasons your website looks unprofessional. A clean, modern, and fully responsive header is essential for any professional website. Your header appears on every page and usually includes important elements like your logo, navigation menu, and button. In this video, I will show you how to create a fully custom WordPress header using Elementor and ultimate add-ons for Elementor. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugins. Click on Add Plugin, then search here Ultimate Add-ons. Now click on Install Now, then activate. Now here we see the UAE option. We have to go to the header footer and click on Add New option. Give it to a name like I am giving here main header. Here you have to select this to header and display on to entire website. You can also add exclusion rule if you need. After you finish here, then click on edit with Elementor. Now here you have to take a container and make it full wide. Scroll down and set the container direction to row so the layout stays horizontal. Now inside this main container you have to take another 3 container. Just duplicate this. Now there is 3 inner containers and we have to give them a minimum height. This 2 will be 20% and the middle one will be 60%. So I am giving this structure gives a space for the logo, menu and button. Now move on to the first column. Here we have to choose the image section and set our logo. Here is our logo. Now we have to customize this logo. Like I am giving here it to 50%. We are done in our first column. Now move on to the second one. For this menu, we have to go to our dashboard first. Then we have to go to appearance, then click on menus option. Here we have to select a create a new menu option and give it to a name. Now I am giving here the name of this menu, main 1, and select create menu. Okay, you have to add your pages from click on view all and add the pages you want. I am adding here some pages. Alright, all is done, then click save menu. Now go to your Elementor page again and click publish and refresh it to visible the menu. Click on the plus icon, then search here navigation menu. Select the menu you created and do some styling. Go to the style option. I am changing the colors. Alright, we created our navigation menu. Now move on our last column. Here we add a button. Do the changes in your button. Alright, the button is ready. Now click on Publish button and click on Preview option. Here is your menu. Simple and easy to make. If this tutorial saved your time, hit like button and subscribe WPBravo channel for more WordPress tutorials.